Ever wondered how to keep your garden flourishing all year round? Welcome to the world of seasonal garden care, a crucial element to the health and aesthetic appeal of your garden. As the wheel of the year turns, each season brings its own set of demands. Spring, summer, autumn, and winter, each one has its own unique care strategies. From planting to pruning, watering to weeding, each season asks something different of us. Stay tuned to learn some essential tasks for each season to keep your garden in top shape. Spring is all about preparation, and summer is about maintenance. As the ground thaws, it's time to prep the soil, plant your seeds, and fertilize to ensure a healthy start. As the days grow longer and warmer, your garden transitions into a period of rapid growth. Here, the focus shifts to diligent watering, weeding, and keeping an eye out for pests. Regular care in these sun-soaked months ensures that your garden remains vibrant and lush. With these tasks, you'll have a vibrant garden in the warmer months. As temperatures drop, your garden needs different care. Fall tasks are key, starting with pruning back perennials and adding a layer of mulch to protect plant roots. Prep for winter by securing plant supports and covering tender plants. When winter arrives, it's time for frost protection. Use burlap wraps or cold frames to shield plants from icy winds. Also, it's the perfect time to plan for next year's garden. By following these tips, you can ensure your garden thrives, even in the colder months. Now you know how to care for your garden throughout the year. Remember, every season brings its unique tasks. Spring and summer are for planting and nurturing, while fall and winter focus on preparation and protection. These tasks are your key to a healthy, beautiful garden all year round. With consistent seasonal care, your garden can truly flourish. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.